Hey YouTubers, welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Home Depot deals or sales that they have going on. We're just going to be looking at a few pages of the power tools and a few pages of the hand tools. So let me know your guys' thoughts. If there are any great deals out there that you guys know of that I don't mention in this video, please drop it down in the comments for the other viewers, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So first up, you can see here they have the Milwaukee 18 volt 7 tool kit. It comes with two 3-amp hour batteries, a charger, and a bag for $500, down from $1,000. So quite a bit of savings there, but still it's $500, so a little pricey, but obviously way better than $1,000. Here's a little bit of a close-up look of everything that you get. I must say none of it's like the fuel lineups. They're not bad tools, but anytime I'm looking at buying Milwaukee, I'm always looking at buying the fuel lineup. I just want the longevity, especially if I'm spending $500. Here they have a Milwaukee M18 2-tool kit. It comes with two 2-amp hour batteries, a charger, and a bag. Once again, this is more of your middle-of-the-line stuff, not the fuel, but you know, not everybody needs the fuel, so if this is something that you're interested in, it is on sale for $200, down from $230. Here's a nice little kit for $229. It's the new 1/4-inch impact driver, the drill, 4-amp hour battery, and a 2-amp hour battery. And I actually just picked up this 1/4-inch impact driver, so I'll have a review on it here soon. But I picked mine up for $139 with the 4-amp hour battery at Acme Tools. And then they also have this kit minus the drill. You get two of the 2-amp hour batteries, a charger, and a bag, and the impact driver for $179. So that's another great deal. But here at Home Depot, they have the 2-tool kit, which seems like a pretty good deal to me as well. Here they have the two Gen 2 18 volt 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive impact, and these are just the bare tools for $400, down from $500. Now, I used to have a 1/2 inch and 3/8 impact, and truthfully, I'll get by with an impact driver and a 1/2 inch impact. There's no, at least for me, no need for a 3/8 because basically my 1/4-inch impact driver covers a lot, and then my 1/2 inch is really just for those stubborn fasteners. This is actually a great vacuum. I believe that's the one that I have. It's a 5 horsepower, 4 gallons, so it's pretty compact, still a decent size for $80. And then normally for the $100 that this normally runs at, you can get the upgraded hose kit, or sometimes they'll have the hose kit on sale, so that's not a bad price. So once again, if you're not worried about getting the fuel lineup, here's another. Milwaukee has a lot of big bundle sets on sale. So this one's close to $1,300 originally, down to $600, and you're getting 4 batteries with this one and 7 tools. So quite a big selection there. Keep in mind they also have quite a few deals like this going on where you purchase the tool and you get a free battery with it as well. There are a few of those on the website. If you just go to the Home Depot website and you click on specials and offers and then go to special buys, you'll usually find them there. Definitely a lot. It's impossible to go through all the deals. That's why I'm just doing a couple pages of each. Here's the M18 1/2 inch compact drill driver with a 2-amp hour battery, a charger, and a tool bag for $99, down from $200. Here's a pretty good deal, $300. You get the 18 volt or M18 1/2 inch drive hammer drill with two 5-amp hour batteries and a hard case with the charger for $300. And I will say, anytime that you can get batteries from Milwaukee, do it, because when you have to just purchase them by themselves, they are pretty spendy. So anytime you can get a tool with a battery or get a free battery included with it, that's something you should definitely consider, because buying the batteries by themselves can get very expensive. Here's a M18 1/4-inch impact driver with one 2-amp hour battery, a charger, and a bag for $100, down from $200. Ryobi miter saw stand. This is the quick stand. It's just, you know, it's nice, but it's not like anything fancy. $129, down from $179. Here's the same thing that we were looking at earlier, the same impact driver, and then you get the 3/8 cordless ratchet, 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag for $239, down from $492. Here's the DeWalt Max XR cordless, brushless, 4.5-inch angle grinder with kickback brake, tool only for $200. This is a special buy. I don't know. Yeah, you get a free gift with it. So you get a free battery with it, 4 amp hour battery, which is $159 value. I don't think that's actually, maybe that is the price. I'm not sure. I haven't looked at their batteries lately, but $200 tool with a free battery. Then just looking at some of their hand tools, not gonna lie, a lot of the times I really enjoy the design of a lot of the Milwaukee hand tools, and I think they make a good quality product, but I think a lot of the time their pricing is a little bit above what it should be when you compare it to a lot of the other brands that are in the same quality range. So there are a lot of Milwaukee hand tools that I would pick up if the pricing was a little bit better. So it's definitely best to pick up Milwaukee hand tools when they are on sale or you can find good deals on them. I actually just picked this one up. I think I got the 16-foot auto lock. I really enjoy my tape measure to have the auto lock. That's just one feature that I really enjoy, where I just slide it out and it's automatically locked. I don't have to worry about sliding it or anything like that, or flipping the switch or anything like that. So I know they have the magnetic ones and the fat ones, and I think this one is a good width and it's strong, it's durable, and once again it features that auto lock that I really enjoy. So that's just one that I just picked up, so that will also be in a tool haul video coming up, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, there you go, your Milwaukee tape measure and adjustable wrenches with a whole bunch of Ryobi and some Husky products there. But I mean, $15 down from $18, $220 for the wrench set, down from $260. This is going to be SAE and metrics, 30-piece set, and the case. Here's the flex head ratcheting wrenches at $500, down from $550. Not going to say that's a great deal. Not saying it's a bad deal. It is spendy, though. I actually just picked up an Empire level as well, the torpedo level, and that thing is extremely nice. But I do like the true blue with the Empire. Just the blue vial is easy on the eyes, easy to read, and I definitely enjoy their levels. So this one's $13, down from $15. Here is a 1/4-inch drive SAE and metric set, 50-piece set for $125. And I'm not gonna lie, I like the sets. The square design, it's not like a pro or a con to me. I like the design. It is what it is. But once again, I like Milwaukee hand tools. The pricing on this isn't too bad. I know it was at $100 not too long ago. I think that's a pretty decent price for it. I think this is kind of pushing it, but I will tell you one thing. Milwaukee got it right when they did these cases. I really enjoy the idea of these cases. If you have the room in your toolbox and you can keep these in their organizer, it's awesome that you can just remove it from the case, literally put it in your drawer or on your tool cart or whatnot, and already have everything organized. And then if you want to, you can grab it, you can toss it back in its case and go. I think that's an awesome design, and I like that they did that with all of their socket sets. So definitely a cool idea there. So here they have the Milwaukee 25-foot magnetic tape measure for $24. So a little bit more expensive than the auto lock one. Here's a gear wrench, SAE and metric standard and stubby combination ratcheting wrench set in EVA foam tray for $219. It's a 32-piece set. This is probably one of the better priced ones as far as the gear wrench sets sold in the EVA foam trays. Some of these do get very expensive. Not saying that this one's cheap, but some of these EVA foam sets are very expensive from Gear Wrench. And with Gear Wrench, I definitely like to get my hands on the wrenches when it comes to their lineup, because they have such a wide variety of different wrenches. Some of them operate very nicely and are engineered at a different level than some of their other wrenches. So when it comes to Gear Wrench and their ratcheting wrenches, it's definitely something I consider getting your hands on and looking at before making the purchase. So here they have another one, Gear Wrench 120XP 1/4-inch, 3/8 and 1/2-inch drive, standard and deep SAE and metric mechanics tool set and EVA foam tray, a 94-piece set for $253. So I do like these. I do like these a lot. Now they are quite a bit more expensive than if you were to buy this in, a little toolkit. The EVA, when it comes in this EVA foam tray, I don't know what it is, but they get a lot more expensive. $253 really isn't all that bad, but it does look like 90% of these sockets are going to be 12-point. So maybe if you're in aviation, this is probably going to be something that works really well for you, because I know how organization is very important. 12 points are very common. Maybe not so much metric, but it does look like they have a decent amount of SAE. But once again, a lot of 12 points. So if you're not a 12-point fan, this probably isn't going to be a set for you. Nice little SunX Tools 3H drive set. I know I've mentioned this in my Amazon tool deal videos. This is the 80-piece set. It's a really nice set. It comes with some universal sockets, shallow and deep sockets, and a bunch of extensions. So you got a good selection of metric and SAE sockets. You also have their E5 through E16 for external Torx, and then your Torx sockets and a variety of different extensions. So definitely a nice little set. Now, one thing I do suggest, this is 172 down from 216. I do want to suggest that you go ahead and check out the Amazon pricing on this before making this purchase if this is something that you are interested in. And just a little Ryobi screwdriver set, more of a basic screwdriver set, nothing super exciting about it, but it is down to $15 from $19. They have another gear wrench set over here, a 66-piece set for $189. It's screwdriver set, 4-piece pliers set, a bunch of Allen keys, bits for your bit screwdriver, and that's really it. See, when it comes to stuff like this, I feel like that's just taking up a lot of room, but I do like the organization. Love EVA foam trays if they're designed right and save space. But obviously everybody's situation differs. So that's it as far as this Home Depot tool deals video. If you guys saw anything that I didn't mention, feel free to drop it down in the comments. Or if you guys are constantly on the Home Depot website and you know of some good deals going on, drop it down in the comments for the other viewers. And if you guys have any other video suggestions, please drop it down below. Other than that, go ahead and check out the Tools and Tools Continued link down in the description. I have a bunch of tools that I suggest for you guys. And other than that, hit that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next one.